हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। हम लोग आज बात करेंगे आईसी इंजन के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, जो कि अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण होने वाले हैं। बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन। द प्रेफर्ड लोकेशन ऑफ एन ऑयल कूलर इज, ऑप्शंस आर बिफोर द फिल्टर्स, आफ्टर द फिल्टर्स, between the filters, and before and after the filters, and E is the anywhere. What is the right answer is B. The preferred location of an oil cooler is after the filter. The next question is, the petrol from tank to the automotive engine is fed by. Options हैं gravity, B pump run by engine, C suction pressure created by a suction stroke, and D is the capillary action. What is the right answer is? Right answer is B. Yeah, that is your pump run by engine. Petrol from tank to the automotive engine is fed by pump run by engine. The next question is, in petrol engine, increase of cooling water temperature will. Options are increasing the knocking tendency, decreasing the knocking tendency, not affect the knocking tendency, increase or decrease knocking tendency, and unpredictable. What is the right answer is A. That is your increase the knocking tendency. In petrol engine, increase the cooling water temperature will increase the knocking tendency. The next question is, which of the curve is correct for the petrol engine? यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं y-axis and x-axis, specific fuel consumption, and 50% of maximum mean effective pressure. तो आपको बताना है यहाँ पर कि विच ऑफ द कर्व इज करेक्ट फॉर द पेट्रोल इंजन। राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका सी, यानी कर्व सी। दिस कर्व इज कर्व सी इज द फॉर पेट्रोल इंजन। कर्व सी ये हमारा जो होगा ये फॉर पेट्रोल इंजन। फिर यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं डीजल इंजन के लिए कौन सा कर्व होगा। राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका इज डी। सी हमारा पेट्रोल इंजन के लिए हो गया। दिस वन इज द पेट्रोल इंजन एंड डी इज फॉर द डीजल इंजन। क्वेश्चन ये पूछा था कि इसमें कर्व जो है डीजल इंजन के लिए कौन सा है, तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका डी, यानी कर्व डी। आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 200। आपको बताना है कि विद इंक्रीज इन इंजन स्पीड द इग्निशन ऑफ spark in petrol engine has to be with increase in the engine speed the ignition of spark in petrol engine has to be। क्या होगा राइट आंसर इसका? ऑप्शंस आर अनअल्टर्ड, इंक्रीज्ड, डिक्रीज, एडवांस्ड एंड रिटार्डेड। राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका एडवांस। द राइट आंसर इज एडवांस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in petrol engine the maximum power is developed corresponding to relative fuel air ratio। क्या होगा राइट आंसर्स? ऑप्शंस आर 0.85, 1, 1.1 to 1.3, 1.2 to 1.5, 1.5 to 1.8। तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका सी, दैट इज 1.1 से 1.3। इन पेट्रोल इंजन maximum power developed corresponding to the relative fuel air ratio is 1.1 to 1.3। The next question is, in petrol engine using a fixed octane rating fuel increase of engine speed will। right answer is B, that is your decrease the knocking tendency। in petrol engine using a fixed octane rating decrease the knocking tendency। The next question is, क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर ये है कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कर्व। आपको बताना है विच इज़ द करेक्ट कर्व फॉर पेट्रोल इंजन डिप्रिशिएटिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ स्पेसिफिक फ्यूल कंजम्पशन फॉर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फ्यूल एयर रेशियो पर्टिकुलरली विद द रेफरेंस टू द मिनिमम स्पेसिफिक फ्यूल कंजम्पशन। तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका इज डी, दैट इज कर्व डी, यानी यहाँ पे जो आंसर हो जाएगा ये दिस वन इज द कर्व डी। कर्व डी इंडिकेट कर रहा है, जिसमें यहाँ बता रहा है कि विच इज़ द करेक्ट कर्व फॉर द पेट्रोल इंजन डिप्रिसिएटिंग द बिहेवियर ऑफ स्पेसिफिक फ्यूल कंजम्पशन फॉर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फ्यूल एयर रेशियो, particularly with the reference of minimum specific fuel consumption. The next question is, in petrol engine using fuel having fixed octane rating, increase in compression ratio will. The right answer is A, that is increase the knocking tendency in petrol engine using fuel having fixed octane rating. Increase in compression ratio will be increase the knocking tendency. The next question is, in petrol engine which of the following gas gets exhausted out without burning and without transformation? The right answer is E, that is nitrogen. In petrol engine which of the following gas gets exhausted out without burning and without transformation? तो उसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा नाइट्रोजन गैस. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लेवल ऑफ फ्यूल इन द फ्लूइड चैम्बर ऑफ अ कार्बोरेटर एज कंपेयर टू द लेवल ऑफ द जेट इन द वेंचुरी. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर is C, that is lower. The level of fuel in the fluid chamber of a carburetor as compared to the level of the jet in the venturi is lower. The next question is, in carburetor the top of the fuel jet with reference to the level in the fluid chamber is kept at. आपको बताना है, in the carburetor the top of the fuel jet with reference to the level in the fluid chamber is kept at. Options are same level, slightly higher level, C, slightly lower level, may be anywhere and varies from situation to situation. What is the right answer is B, that is your slightly higher level. Next question is, carburation is done to. Options are feed petrol into cylinder, govern the engine, break up and mix the petrol with air, heat up the charge to cylinder, and scavenge the cylinder. What is the right answer is C, that is your break up and mix the petrol with air. The next question is, power impulse from IC engines are smoothed out by. Power impulse from an IC engines are smoothed out by. Options are governor, crankshaft, gearbox, flywheel, timing spark properly. What is the right answer is D, flywheel. Power impulse from an IC engines are smoothed out by flywheel. Next question, the theoretically correct mixture of air and petrol is approximately. Options are 8:1, 12:1, 15:1, 20:1 and 24:1. The right answer is C, that is 15:1, and the theoretically correct mixture of air and petrol is 15:1. The next question is, for low speed operation or for idling in petrol engine, the engine requirements for low speed operation or for idling in petrol engine, the engine requirements for. The right answer is, what is the right answer is C, that is rich mixture. For low speed operation or for idling in petrol engine, the engine requirements are for rich mixture. Next question is, in a petrol engine advancing the spark timing will. In petrol engine advancing the spark timing will. What is the right answer is A, that is increase the knocking tendency. In petrol engine advancing the spark timing will increase the knocking tendency. The next question is, the following type of carburetor is preferred. The following type of carburetor is preferred. The right answer is A, that is Concentric type carburetor is preferred. Next question is, in a passenger car the following type of carburetor is preferred. पैसेंजर कार की बात की जा रही है यहाँ पर. इन द पैसेंजर कार द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ कार्बोरेटर इज प्रेफर्ड. ऑप्शंस आर हॉरिजॉन्टल टाइप, डाउनवर्ड ड्रॉट टाइप, अपवर्ड ड्रॉट टाइप, इंक्लाइंड ड्रॉट टाइप, एनी वन ऑफ द अबव टाइप्स. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर इज B, that is your downward drought type. His right answer is downward drought type. The next question is that the essential equipment for producing high voltage for sparking in petrol engine with battery is. The right answer is E, that is your ignition coil, contact breaker and condenser. The next question is, the ignition coil in diesel engines produce voltage of the order of. The ignition coil in diesel engines produce voltage of the order of. The right answer is D, that is 20,000 volts. The right answer is D, 20,000 volts. The next question is, if the door of a diesel engine crankcase is opened just after shutdown before cooling off engine, then options are efficiency of engine will be poor, there is a risk of explosion taking place, it is the safest practice, and some parts may be subjected to their thermal stresses, and some lube oil may be wasted. What is the right answer is B, that is there is a risk of explosion taking place. The next question is, the thermal efficiency of diesel engine is of the order of. The right answer is D. The right answer is हो जाएगा इसका D, that is 34%. The thermal efficiency of a diesel engine is of the order of 34%. The next question is, the thermal efficiency of a gas engine is of the order of. Is 34%. Next question, thermal efficiency of the gas engine is the order of. इसका right answer हो जाएगा E, that is 25%. is 25%. इसका हो जाएगा 25%. and thermal efficiency of डीजल इंजन का केस में 34% और गैस इंजन के केस में 25%. The next question is, theoretically following engine should have maximum efficiency, that is 4-stroke CI engine. Thanks for watching and sharing.